Hi guys, once again I came with a very interesting topic. In this tutorial I am going to insert some data into the SQLite database. So the title of this tutorial is how to insert data into the database with iOS and in Swift 5 programming language. So this is very simple and it is very important. So just keep your eyes on the tutorial and keep watching with the concentration, okay? So first of all, I have this data. Let's say I am calculating some GPA from here. Now I would like to insert that data into my database, okay, into the synchronous mode. So how we can insert that much data and what is the technique? So let's begin with development and see how we can do that. So here, as you know, we are at the dead end of this tutorial, this series. So I would like to tell you, first of all, we have to create one list or one class which will contain all the data. So here I have already one class. So this is my class which I have inserted into the database as a entity or as a row. Okay, so what it will contain? It will contain ID, name, result, and average type, and the list of the topics like biology, math, or whatever. So if I show you in design, so what is the ID? ID is the name of ID is the unique identification of this calculation. Okay, name represent this one. Result, whatever the result will come after calculation. Okay, average type, this is average 4, average 5, or average 100. Okay, and the list of, this is the list. So one item of the list, second item of the list, so like that. Okay, we will insert into the database. So for that, what we require, we will create one database helper. Okay, so name as, we will create one new file with the name db helper. Okay, so this is my database helper. I will create a class, same name, superclass nothing, and this is, and first of all we have to import our SQLite 3 database here. So import SQLite 3. So you have done with it. Now we have 5 operation. First, create a database. Okay, second, insert, or sorry, create a table if it is not already exist. Okay, or retrieve already exist table. Then insert into database, update into database, and delete from the database. So 5 operation we have to perform in this tutorial, and I hope you will enjoy. So our first task is to create a database. Okay, so for that, what we have to do, we will create one init method, that's cool, and this method will call wherever you will call db helper class. Okay, so first of all we have to take the reference of db. So where db, and this is a type of opaq pointer. Okay, so this is opaq pointer. Here we will take as a optional. Okay, and now I will create one function, okay, which will return a database after creating. Okay, so the function is create db. Okay, here we are not going to pass any parameter, but the return type will be opaq pointer. Okay, so this is opaq pointer, and this is also okay. So that is type of this function. So here first of all, what we require for creating database, we require database name. Okay, so we will take a database name, it's called as path, and type of string. Here we will give our database name. So this will be like that. My db means your database name. In your case it can be anything. Okay, but in my case I am taking as my db with, make sure it should be with .sqlite extension. Okay, so do in such a way. Now what is our next task? We have to create this database on the basis of our requirement. Okay, so guys, first of all we will create a file URL. So let's do file path equals, and this will be with the try catch, okay, file manager dot default dot url. That's great. And this is a type of document directory, and type of domain, user domain mask, appropriate url nil, create false. And in that we are going to append our file path, okay, which we have take this one. So this will be the path of our url. So here pass path. So it's great. Now you have done. Now we will create one more database variable. So where db, type of same opaque, it's kind of optional, here pass nil. So now we will open connection in between our application and in SQLite, okay. So if SQLite 3 open, here we have to pass our file path. So file path dot path, here we have to pass our database and db, sorry, db. So here we will check with not equals SQLite, okay, okay. It means what this function will do, this is the inbuilt function, it will open a URL and it will return back into this db, okay. So here if it is not okay, so we will print there is error in creating db, else we will return db, okay. It means it has been created a database. So what we can do, and from here we will return nil, okay. And here we can say for user information, means for developer information, database has been created with path, and this is a path, okay. So it's done. Now init function, what we are going to do, self dot db equals create db. So this is our first task. Now we have to create a table, okay. So how we can create a table, let's do with that. I will create one more function with create table, create table, and here nothing will be there. So how we can create, first you must know the string for creating, means query for creating a table, okay. So how we can do that, so let's understand. First of all we have to write a query. So let query equals, and query will be string type, okay. So in my case query is like that, create table, here is one condition, if not exist, okay. If table is exist, then it will not create, means we are not rewriting the table again and again, okay. If table is already exist into the database, then it will not create a new table into the database. So here create not exist, and this is the name of the table, okay. This is the entity inside the table, like first id, first entity is id, and this is with small name, sorry, small name, and this is a type of integer and primary key, and it will be auto increment as you will insert data into the database, okay. So this is the third field, name, this is the fourth field, result, and this is the list of data what we are going to, as per our example, this is the list of this one, okay. So now query is all ready. Now we have to perform the action on this query. Same, we have to take opaque pointer, and which will be let create table, type of opaque pointer and optional, and this is nil. Okay, great. So here we have function for creating a table if it is not exist into database. So what is that function? If SQLite 3 prepare version 2, so what we need to do, here we will pass our db, this is self.db, type of optional, and SQL query, so it is my query, integer type byte -1, and it will return our create table statement. Okay, so and sorry, control Z, and create table statement, and here tail is nil. Okay, and we will check with double equals. If it is returning SQLite okay, then our table has been created, else there is some error. Okay, so this is the function and it's saying that make it where. Great. And immutable. Okay, it's done. Now, so this is my create table statement. Now I will perform action on this table for ending up with create table functionality. Okay, so if SQLite 3 step, here my opaque pointer which is create table, and I will compare with done, SQLite done. So here my table has been created and the operation has been successfully completed. Print table creation success. Sorry. And else same table creation fail. If you are getting error here, then it means preparation fail. So in this what we did, first we prepare our expression with the help of our query, we get it back from SQLite prepare version 2. Okay, and then we perform the action on create table opaque pointer. Okay, so it is the here result is here. Now our next function, insert data into the database. Okay, so for that I will create one more function. So before creating the insert function, we will see this query is getting execute or not, and it will be has been created table, and this will be table creation. Okay, table creation fail on this is whatever it is. And here I would like to tell you to add one more entity which is avj and type of integer. Okay, so I'll copy and paste from here. So that's it. Now we will create table with this name. So I will call this function from init method self dot create table. Now this db helper I have called from avj controller. Okay, once this controller appear, automatically get call. So now let's see the output. What will be the output? So guys, you can see database has been created with path this and table creation success. So guys, it is working as expected. Now we will continue in next video for inserting the data into the database. So be continue and keep watching. Thank